my name is Wellington Hikate from Zambia. As you can see, I just purchased a new vehicle from Top Motors. I must say I'm very happy with the car. It's in mint condition, as you can see from the front, no damage, no scratches of any kind. Come and see from the inside that everything that we are mentioned are there. To kickstart it, starts nicely, no problem. Fantastic vehicle. I'm very much happy. These guys are supplying very nice vehicles. Music. I can dance anytime that I want. There is sunroof, everything functions well according to the way they explained it. I must say it's a very nice vehicle. My wife, my family, everybody is happy about it. We go on the back seats, it's a 7-seater. Here, these are my files, the seats, everything is mint. I just have to clean it up because I had a journey, I had to go somewhere to sort other things. Come at the back, everything perfect. Got the other seats on the bottom there. You have all the spanners are in here. Fire extinguisher. Check behind the hitch. Everything about it is perfect. I must recommend, if there's anybody who wants to get a car, to please get a car from Top Motors, because these guys are the best. They are legit, don't be cheated. I'm the living example, a happy customer. You check everything functions. Come on the other side and show you. It's got the back camera, it's here. I just replaced the number plate now. A few 2 days ago. Check on the engine. Everything about it is perfect. There's no problem at all. Everything is mint. As they explained, I'm very much happy about this car. I would want to buy more and more cars from this guy. So if there's anybody who's got questions,